So, as many of you know, I've been on a huge journey with my partner, my specific person. It's funny to call him a specific person now because he's just my partner, but I've been on such a journey and I understand you very well because I've walked in your shoes and I know what it's like to feel that longing and that yearning and that missing someone and craving their attention. And I know how painful that is because I've lived it. I've walked that walk, And what I want to do in this video is share with you a simple tool that I used to help me shift back into love, being loved, right? And how that really did start to shift my reality and my reflection of the world. It's so interesting. So along with this, I want to let you know that there's going to be so much more depth and conversation about this very topic, from moving from longing to loved, in my free event this Sunday with Mo Cohen. It's going to be very special. I've actually never done a free event like this. Okay, so this is a one-off. There's not going to be a replay available. Okay, so if you miss it, you miss it. So I would highly recommend being there at 5 p.m. on Friday. It's free. You've got nothing to lose. It's going to be a really full of value couple of hours where we're going to really talk about this shift that you can create within yourself, how to do it, and you'll walk away with some light bulb moments, some insight, and you'll be able to start using those things straight away. But what's this thing that I'm going to tell you now? So it's all about the mirror, right? What the reflection is that we're getting from a person and the feelings that are coming up within us, okay? They are telling us how we are feeling about ourselves, okay? So whatever is happening, turn it round on you. So if you're saying things and you're buying into the narrative and you're seeing this narrative play out that this person's not showing up for me, turn it round. I'm not showing up for me. How can I show up for me more, right? That's all, simple as that. This person doesn't love me. How can I love myself more? Because very often we project all of our feelings, all of our stuff that we feel about ourselves onto this other person, and we want them to fix it. We want them to solve that problem for us, when actually it's like knocking on the wrong door. It doesn't open. That door's not going to open that way. We have to take the back route. We have to go from the inside out, okay? So when we feel really good within ourselves, we get that mirror reflection and relationships flow more easily, and we expect less from other people. When we expect less, it's not that I'm saying you should lower your standards. I'm not saying that at all, but I'm saying that when you're filled within yourself and you're filled with your own sense of adequacy and love and approval and safety, then you expect less from other people because you need less from other people. And that's not to say that we don't have needs in relationships. Again, I'm not saying that, but you just generally feel better, so your relationships are more likely to be in a state of flow. So it's simple as this. When you hear yourself and you become conscious of the narratives that you're saying to yourself and to other people, okay? How much of the time do you spend thinking about negative narratives? And by the way, there's nothing wrong with that. We all do it. We all have a negative bias and we all have a past. And this is what Mo is really good at talking about, and he's going to talk about on Sunday. How the past will suck you back there, and it will suck you back right all the way back to your childhood, to make you feel those feelings that were not processed, because they want to be processed, okay, and they want to be loved by you. So for me, it was consistently doing this, consistently asking myself, whenever I caught myself in the act of going, he's not choosing me, he's not loving me, he doesn't love me, I'd go, I don't love me. How can I love me more? I'm not loving me right now. What can I do to love myself? Is it go and get an ice cream? Is it go for a walk? Is it ring a friend? Is it sit with these feelings while they exist and let them be and tell them that I love them too? It's really going all in on this being there with the self and being that which you want to receive, so it's all about becoming. And in this workshop on Sunday, we're really going to be talking about the act, the art, the creativity of being that which you would like to receive. Who would you be without your story? Who would you be without all of that stuff that you've bought into for the whole of your life, right? Who would you be? How would you act? How would you act if you trusted love? How would you act if you really did love yourself, okay? And all of this, we're going to do a massive deep dive into it. If you're not clear on it right now, you will be by the end of this seminar, workshop, whatever you want to call it. Like I say, it's free to sign up to. And in the meantime, if you would like some discount on my 30 Days to Abundance, you can sign up to my email newsletter, because there's an email going out today with a discount code on it, okay? So that's going to go out today. If you miss it, email me and I will send it to you. 30 Days to Abundance is going to be amazing, because I am feeling very abundant right now and I want to share it all with you, because September is my favourite month, and I'm starting a whole fresh new era of my life in this new house which we're moving into on Friday. So I've got so much positive energy that I'd like to share with you, and we're going to create some amazing stuff in September. Let's turn the rest of the year around. It's going to be amazing. So if you want to sign up to that, the link below. And if you'd like to come on the retreats, we would love to see you. We'd love to hear from you. So if you've got any questions about that as well, we've got just over a month to go. So it's very exciting. And yeah, any questions about that, just let me know. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.